Hello guys, in this video we are going to talk about what is Dsers Aliexpress Dropshipping tool for you guys. So if you're already familiar with Shopify, Wix, or other e-commerce platform solutions, here is Dsers. Dsers is one of the best AliExpress dropshipping tools for e-commerce. So it's built for AliExpress and built for you. So if you do e-commerce and use AliExpress as your supplier, you can use Dsers. So the process to order all AliExpress items will be made in a payment by bulk. So it will actually ease your own burden of paying one by one for the actual products in AliExpress. So right here, they have 24/7 customer service, and right here, what it does is they find and sell winning products for AliExpress users and for your drop shipping e-commerce store. So with Dsers, they will supply the Dsers Supplier Optimizer, where that's where they find and sell winning products. So here you'll receive and sync store orders, place orders for AliExpress suppliers itself, and fulfill and track the orders using Dsers in just one application itself. So how does it make it easy? They manage drop shipping suppliers easily by no more stock shortage issues. So when you have a product that's going to be actually given to you and then there's no stock in AliExpress, they will find it for you by contacting the supplier directly, and that's how they work. So next is you can place almost 100 AliExpress orders in seconds. That's what we call the bulk orders, like what we have talked about in the start. And you can satisfy your customers with order tracking so that they will not have to worry of your order or their order coming to them delayed. You can optimize shipping costs and delivery times with Dsers also. You can also succeed and stand out from countless drop shipping online retailers. Why? Making your store unique and attractive with processed store orders that are effectively good and offer exemplary customer service with Dsers. You can also work with stable suppliers and price products with huge margins so you can stay on top of your industry. So they have a lot helped a lot of people, and you might want to also use it for your drop shipping actual website. So right here, the service and the pricing. Let's actually go to the pricing right here so you guys know what's the actual cost that's gonna take. So they have free is going to be available right here for processing orders in bulk and customer support. But the rest of the features are just going to be unavailable to you, and we would go with the advanced with 19.9 a month with 14 days free trial, so you can actually start ahead. You can even start it without any credit card information that's needed. So you can also go with the yearly, which is going to be a good one, which is going to be 15.9 a month. It's really cheaper than the monthly. So this will process a lot of orders plus available and first priority, and you will get most of the features that are going to be listed right here if you wanted to. So you will have to know the capabilities of your store to know what you need right here. So basically that's how the Dsers in AliExpress will work. So also check out the link to the description below for your checkout of Dsers. So there you go guys. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.